Welcome to Trading Battle Podcast, your go-to for the latest crypto news.
Global markets kicked off the week with mixed momentum. Gold and silver are surging to new highs, the dollar is climbing, and crypto is cooling off after a wild weekend. Let's dive into the full picture. Starting with metals, according to FX Street, silver has hit a new record high above $51.50, while gold prices continue to climb across the UAE and Asia, extending their safe haven rally. With inflation still sticky and central banks remaining cautious, investors are clearly holding on to precious metals as a hedge. On the currency side, the US dollar index moved higher above 98.50 after President Trump reassured traders that trade relations with China are on a good path. That message calmed markets a bit, especially as the euro-dollar pair held steady around 1.1600 and the Aussie dollar hovered near 0.6550 following China's trade balance report. Overall, the tone remains cautiously optimistic. Traders are balancing strong dollar momentum with renewed interest in metals. In crypto world, Atlas 21 reports a major development. Bitcoin Core version 30 is now officially live. However, it's not all celebration. The update's new handling of the op return function has split the Bitcoin community. Some developers see it as a progress for security and data efficiency, while others argue it restricts creative use cases like NFTs and on-chain metadata. It's the classic Bitcoin debate, innovation versus purity. Still, Bitcoin remains technically stable, holding near $110,000 after last week's dip. Meanwhile, Coindu notes that Pi-coin buyers are quietly returning as the broader market sell-off cools down. After months of weakness, the token is seeing renewed accumulation, suggesting that smaller altcoins might be entering a recovery phase. And according to Crypto News, the overall crypto market has stabilized as Trump's diplomatic efforts to defuse the US-China trade rift reduced macro tension. Risk appetite is slowly coming back into play. For Forex traders, the focus this week is clear. Watch metals and the dollar. If silver stays above 51.50 and the dollar holds near 98.5, the market could remain range-bound but constructive. In crypto, the Bitcoin Core debate is worth following closely. Technical updates like this often spark short-term division but long-term innovation. Ethereum and mid-cap projects are still digesting the sell-off, while Pi-coin's quiet rebound could mark early signs of rotation back into smaller tokens. So the market isn't in panic mode, but it's not euphoric either. It's simply consolidating with selective strength. That's it for today's Trading Battle News. Thanks for tuning in. I'll be back tomorrow with fresh updates across Forex, commodities, and crypto. Until then, goodbye.